In this problem, we'll be solving a value mixture problem using a system of linear equations. It reads, two mechanics worked on a car. The first mechanic worked for 5 hours and the second mechanic worked for 15 hours. Together they charged a total of $2,050. What was the rate charged per hour by each mechanic if the sum of the two rates was $200 per hour? Okay, so our first equation is going to be the rate for the first mechanic. We'll let that equal to X. And then the rate for the second mechanic, we'll let that equal to Y. So we'll have X plus Y is equal to 200. Then for the second equation, we'll take the hours times the rate charged, which we don't know, to give us the total. So that equation will look like 5X plus 15Y is equal to 2,050. For each of those equations, we'll need to solve for Y in order to be able to plug it into our ALEKS calculator, which is located right here. So for X plus Y equal to 200, solving for Y gives us negative X plus 200. Then for 5X plus 15Y equals 2,050, solving for Y gives us Y is equal to negative 5X plus 2,050 divided by 15. So we need to plug both of those into the calculator. First, we're going to click on Y is equal to. Then we'll need to enter the first equation and then enter the second equation. So the first equation, we said that Y was equal to negative X plus 200. For the second equation, that one's going to be a fraction. We are going to put in negative 5X. Let's put that in parentheses. Negative 5X plus 2,050 divided by 15. From there, we need to click on Window. We will enter the minimum value for X as a negative 300, and the minimum value and the maximum value for X is a positive 300. And we'll do the same for Y. So then from there, we'll click Auto Scale, and then we'll click OK. We'll then click Intersect and Find Intersection. So from there, if you look, it gives you the answer. X is equal to 95 and Y is equal to 105.